Big up Crosses TV.
Boy, cause Stevie has some content there, you see, man.
One boy. One boy. You know one boy I call up my name with some girl. And drop boy I don't want me tongue against me, you know. My youth. You switch for me with my enemy them. My youth. You don't want me turn against you. Cause listen to me, my youth. Me hear you call up my name. Me hear with my 2 ears me call up my name. But guess what? Still not turn against you all of my ear. But you don't want me turn against you. Cause if me turn against you, you can't go London and no party and you can't stay at Birmingham. And you can't go Jamaica like you can go long time. My youth is what you do. My youth is what you do to me. Serious thing you do. But guess what? Now follow you up because you're mad. And you got health problem as well. Cause me hear a long time say you got HIV. That's why you couldn't fuck me back no day. Me hear you call up my name. I'm think you did done it, but you go under over again. You better walk far from me. Cause me ever turn against you, the whole world turn against you. My youth, stay away from me. Never look at Instagram big up my lover, me I come off. You see me stay by some problem. Instagram I'm coming off. Cause you see, if me ever see her so God don't like ugly. That's when God knows that people real too now on the face to them in the manish, you know. My youth, you know, long me she have HIV, I may never repeat it 2 times yet. I may repeat it now. My youth, you have HIV in a real life, you do. Don't ramp with me. Stupid idiot. My youth, you see all of them say do a Jamaica. Don't make me say do it to show because everybody will believe. Yeah, hang up the live here, no company I want to do, me no want to do. I'm gonna hang up the live. HIV boys, when you go up on phone and call my name to people, make sure you tell them say you have HIV. That's why you run down all of the girls in the dance hall. But guess what? All if me did fuck you before, you can't fuck me again. I never feel the need for you to fuck me again. Me I hang up that blood clot phone here. Cause pussy, let me tell you something. You think you know something about me, you don't. Me know everything about you. You can go so and shell you right down. Pussy, me can't make you can't enter nowhere in London. The baddest people in London are my band and girlfriend them. Big up my sister for your legend. Big up Bogart, Barn and Grow Up. Big up the whole of West Kingston, Tivoli Garden, Band Street, Pink Lane, Oxford Street, Regent Street, Bread Lane, Charles Street, Beeson Street. I'm going Instagram. I love you lot. Baga Baga TV also love manners and respect, yeah? I said the amount of eruption we have to start out tonight. That's why I just come in. I start out a bag eruption. Big up cause, yeah. Big up blood clot cause I'm gonna make sure I tell them the whole of something. All of them see me with no man. You see if me have to come on right now at the coke, me have a blood clot fuck. My baby father accused me of one of the coke. But guess what now? Bitches, me know the whole of them see me and the coke tonight. I'm gonna make sure telling you something. You see, right now, if I feel the need for a cocky, is the coke. Okay? Hey, on don't fuck on yourself, go hide. Yeah? May I make sure I tell you. On no bother with me. Okay, say me a fuck a man. Me a fuck somebody who wanna care have a look or a glimpse. Okay? And right now, if me go fuck a man is one of the coke. Okay? You know the coke from Tivoli Garden. Okay, yeah. We got them here as well. Okay? But they don't really mix, they don't mingle, they don't entangle. Okay? Only with the diamond. Okay? Yes, wanna get on a fucking act together, yeah? Cause if I'm fucking somebody at this particular moment, it's the coke. Okay? I'm not fucking nothing under, nothing less but the coke. Okay? The coke. Okay? The coke. Okay? The rust coke. Okay? Okay. Fuck you lot.